Yes, record your daily gratitude. Like every day you write it down, whatever good things happen in your life, just write it down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will talk about journaling, and I will tell you about the basic journaling tips. If you are a beginner, how you can start and what all things you should keep in your mind, I will tell you about that. So I have been doing journaling from last 6 months, and it has really been very much beneficial for my mental health, and it helps me to progress. सो मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती थी पूरे टाइम, तो मेरे को उस चीज़ को लिखने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगता था. तो बेसिकली अगर मैंने आज पूरे दिन में कुछ भी किया है, मैं जाके अपने रूम में चुपचाप एक जगह बैठ के आई जस्ट राइट इट डाउन एवरी सिंगल थिंग. एंड इफ यू आर राइटिंग अ जर्नल, यू हैव टू बी ट्रूथफुल. यू हैव टू राइट वट एवर द ट्रूथ इज. You can't lie to a journal, because if you will lie to a journal, then तुम किसको सब कुछ बताओगे, राइट? सो यस, सो यू हैव टू बी ट्रूथफुल टू योर जर्नल. सो इट रियली हेल्प्स यू टू राइट योर डेली प्रोग्रेस, एंड इट हेल्प्स यू टू कीप द रिकॉर्ड, एंड इट हेल्प्स यू टू कीप मोटिवेटेड. सो यू जस्ट लाइक एवरी डे तुमने कुछ लिखा, आज तुमने जो किया तुमने वो लिखा, फिर तुम उसको बाद में पढ़ सकते हो. Well, I really prefer not to read, because actually when I have started journaling, that time I used to be very depressed. Okay, so at that moment I really don't feel like remembering those thoughts again, so I don't feel like reading it back. But I have 2-3 journals. As you can see, I have 2-3 journals. So like this journal and this journal, I read again and again, because I write my progress in it, and what I have learned in a day, I write all that in these 2 journals, and I write every single thought in this journal. And so I don't like to read it again, because if something is out of my life, it's out. I don't want to read it. So yeah, but it really helps you to record your daily progress. And yes, it keeps you motivated, and so it really helps you to feel like you're making progress, right? And it keeps you inspired, no doubt. Like if you did something, you will write it down, then you just praise yourself, you will show that gratitude thing, so you will feel very proud, very inspired from your own self. And so the next thing I would like to say, that every single day is a platform of learning more and more. So if you're doing something today, you're learning. If you're doing something next day, you're learning. So yes, write it down. You will feel really very relaxed. And yeah, so yes, record your daily gratitude. Like every day you write it down, whatever good things happen in your life, just write it down. And gratitude really helps a lot. You feel so positive, and yes, ये तुम मतलब ये अंदर से एक बहुत अच्छा फील देता है कि यार हाँ, मतलब जैसे कि like every morning I wake up, I just thank the universe that thank you for giving me bed to sleep. There are people who don't have all of this. So I'm really very much thankful. And yeah, if your mind is full of worries, you won't like तुम उससे बाहर नहीं निकल पाओगे, तुम कुछ अच्छा नहीं सोच पाओगे. अगर तुम्हारा दिमाग से सारे worries निकल गए, just write it down somewhere, then there is a space. वहाँ फिर तुम्हारे दिमाग में एक space आ गया जहाँ पे तुम और नई creative चीजें डाल सकते हो. So yeah, from now, like from here I will start some tips for the beginners. So my first tip is keep it private, guys. So yeah, it's just me and my journal. I write every single thing in my journal, so it is a private thing for me, and I can't share it with anyone, because if I will share it with anyone, then I won't be very truthful to my journal, because this is the only thing where I'm writing everything, like every detail. So I just want to keep it very private, so keep it private, guys. And second tip is set the mood. Okay, set the mood, because see, it depends on every single individual. Like with me, I light up some candles or agarbattiyan laga lo ghar pe. You will find it very easily if you're from an Indian family, for sure. दिया लगा लो, कुछ भी, मतलब just make a mood, okay? Or play some playlist, some nice, relaxed, soothing playlist, and yeah, go for it. Then yeah, put a date on it. I always put a date. I always put a time, so that I should know, if ever I'm reading it, I should know at what day, at what time I have written this thought. So yes, and it always helpful, because whenever you just open up, you are like, okay, मैंने उस साल में उस दिन ये लिखा था, वो भी इस टाइम बैठ के, तो मेरे साथ शायद ऐसा कुछ हुआ होगा, right? So yeah, so put a date, and I always give my diary a name, and I prefer giving a name. It is really very nice whenever, actually, like when you just write hi, so you will write hi and its name, okay? So just give it a name, okay? Okay, then next I will say, just write, guys, just write. Whatever is in your head, just write it down. It will definitely help you. Like after writing it down, you will feel so relaxed, you will feel so calm. Don't think that her time you need someone to talk about. Okay, if you don't find anyone to talk, if your family is busy, if your siblings are busy, if your friends are busy, that's totally fine. You have your journal, guys. Just write whatever you want, and I really prefer to give it a nice. See, I have used this cover because I feel this is a nice cover. You can use pink or some other color. It depends. And or you can buy a nice diary. Actually, I really prefer कि जो घर पे है वो यूज़ कर लो, क्योंकि मैं अब क्वारंटाइन था तो मैं बाहर नहीं जा पाई लेने के लिए, तो मेरे पास जो डायरी थी मैंने वो यूज़ किया, उसको मैंने कवर किया, उसको मैंने सजाया, and then I started writing. So yeah, it's not necessary to go out and buy a fancy diary, but if you prefer, go for it. It's really nice. And then I will say, be truthful, guys. Like यही तो है जिसमें तुम अपने सारे थॉट्स, अपने सारे फीलिंग्स, अपनी सच्चाई लिख सकते हो. ओके, वट एवर यू थिंक, कब किसको क्या बोलना था, क्या नहीं बोल पाई, क्या बोलना रह गया, just write it down, okay? Because this is where you can write your truth and keep it private, obviously. So yeah, then I will say, find a journal. Okay, it depends. Like journal are of different types. Like there is a bullet journal where you write everything in bullets. There is a habit journal where you will write, okay, these are my habits, or these are the habits I want to put in my life, or I want to accept, or I want to try these habits. So these are very different. They are very different kind of journals. So it depends. I really write everything down in my journal. So I really prefer write everything down, guys. So just write everything down. So yeah. So yeah. Next is, there are no rules. See, even if I am giving these tips, they're just tips to, you know, get you inspired. Okay, so get inspired. But there is no such tips. Okay, look, there is no such rules that you have to write in this way, you have to write in that way. It all depends on you. Just write the way you want to, but write it down, and it really helps. So yeah. And actually this journal, I made this journal at my own. मैंने कुछ पेजेस अपने पुराने कॉपीज में से टीयर किया. इसको मैंने कॉफ़ी के वो पानी में कॉफ़ी मिक्स करके इसको डिप किया, इसको मैंने सुखाया, एंड इट बिकेम वेरी, यू नो, पुराने ज़माने का टाइप का बन गया ये. और मैंने इसको कवर कर लिया, और इट लुक्स रियली गुड. एंड आई राइट सम इंस्पिरेशनल कोट्स इन इट, एंड इट रियली helps me to fill in all the positivity in my life. So yeah, that's all for today guys. So अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी then please like it and share it with your friends who really need to do journaling right now. You feel like that they want to write or they want to share things, then just tell them to do journaling. It is really very helpful. It really helps to keep healthy mind. So yeah, and thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you really like my channel, then share it with your friends. Help me to grow, because now I'm trying to put my videos every week. And yes, subscribe to this channel and please hit that bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. And thank you so much. Bye.